Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to make your own natural beauty products at home. It's easy, fun, and SEO-friendly. Let's get started, holding up a jar of coconut oil. First, let's make a simple face moisturizer. You'll need coconut oil and essential oils. Coconut oil is great for hydration. Adding drops of essential oil into a bowl of coconut oil. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender or tea tree are excellent choices. Mix well, transferring the mixture into a small jar. Store your moisturizer in a small jar. Use it daily for soft, glowing skin. Holding up a bowl of sugar and a lemon. Next, let's make a sugar scrub. You'll need sugar, lemon juice, and olive oil. Mixing sugar and lemon juice in a bowl. Mix sugar and lemon juice. Lemon brightens the skin. Adding olive oil to the mixture. Add olive oil for extra moisture. Mix until you get a thick paste. Applying the scrub on her hand. Gently scrub your skin in circular motions. Rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel smooth and refreshed. Holding a bowl of avocado and honey. Now, let's make a hair mask. You'll need avocado and honey. Avocado nourishes hair. Mashing avocado in a bowl. Mash the avocado until smooth. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix well. Applying the mask to her hair. Apply the mask to your hair. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Your hair will be shiny and soft. Holding up a jar of shea butter. Finally, let's make a body butter. You'll need shea butter, coconut oil, and essential oils. Melting shea butter and coconut oil in a double boiler. Melt shea butter and coconut oil. Once melted, remove from heat. Add a few drops of essential oil. Let it cool. Whipping the mixture with a hand mixer. Whip the mixture until fluffy. Transfer to a jar. Use it daily for deeply moisturized skin. Standing in the kitchen smiling. There you have it. Simple, natural beauty products you can make at home. Give them a try and enjoy your natural glow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.